membership operators. All right, so let's clear everything and do a equals 2, B equals 5, and we are going to look at membership operators. So what are membership operators? As the name sounds, it's simply checking, is something a member of this? So let's say you have a school and you have a grade 5, and then you have this student somewhere. You can ask, is this student a member of this class grade, of this grade? All right, so you're just simply checking membership, is something a part of something or not. All right, so that's what membership operator does, and that's why I kind of mentioned that sometimes it can be confused with identity, because your identity can come as if you're being a membership of something. All right, so but let me explain this one in more details, and I think it will make a lot more sense. So let's create a membership class here. We're gonna just create a very simple array, list of numbers. Let's throw in 1 in that, let's throw 3, let's throw 5, let's throw 7, let's throw Fru in there. All right, so this is just a basic array, just a list, a collection of items. All right, and then we can say print, and we can say Fru in A. So we're simply checking, is Fru in this, is a member of this. So this is a list, this is a collection, this is a class of something. All right, we're simply asking now, is this value that I'm providing in part of this? So what this will do is gonna run through that and check that is it part of it. And if it's part of it, it's gonna give us true. If it's not, it's gonna give us false. So we know Fru is part of that, so it gives us true. But if I say Drew is part of that, of course it's not part of it. There's no Drew in that list, so it gives us false, right? So this is a membership operator. We're trying to see if something is a member of that. And if you can check for in, we can also check for not in. All right, so we can also check that is Drew not in A. So is Drew, this value, not in this list I've provided? And the answer now will be true because it's not in that list that I've provided. All right, guys, so that's your basic membership operator. You have, say, a collection, and you're checking if something is a member of that, or if something is not a member of that, and then it's going to give us true or false depending on what that result is.